In this tutorial, you'll see how to create a slider from one of the ready-made templates and publish it to your store. Start with the theme extension. Click Activate Now. That opens your theme's App Embeds panel. Turn on Slider Revolution V7, then hit Save. Without this embed, your sliders won't render on the storefront. Back in the app, check your plan. On free, you can build and preview one slider. Publishing needs a paid plan with a 7-day free trial. Now, open the template library. Templates are grouped by category: hero, slider, carousel, one-pager, and more. So browse the categories and scroll through until you find a look that fits your store. Open one to read its description and check its requirements. Then click Install Template. It installs into your modules and opens right in the editor, with every slide, layer, and animation ready to edit. Click any text layer to edit its content on the right. For images, select the layer Open Image Content and choose a new file from your Shopify library. The layer swaps instantly. The slide background works the same way. Select the slide BG layer, then pick your background image. It fills the whole slide, sitting behind every other layer. Use the Slides panel to move between slides. This template ships with 3. And edit each one exactly the same way. Once your edits are done, click Save. You'll see it confirm, and you can check the result anytime with Preview. Now hit Publish and copy the slider shortcode from the pop-up that appears. Then head back over to your Shopify theme editor. Add a section, switch to the Apps tab, and choose General Slider V7. Paste your shortcode into the slider shortcode field, then click Save to apply it to the page. And there it is, your finished slider running live in the theme editor preview.